move you. Attention! Bear the prisoner on Zahra's order.
A prisoner? Here? That guard might have the key.
The good news in days. Get our orders. Nobody goes in this shit again. Poor guy. No stuff with a bunch of folks. I'd go, man.
It was your time.
Hey! What's wrong with you?
Books will only bring you sorrow, Mother said. Go into business, get a market stall, be happy. If only I had listened. How right she was.
What a relief. What's that thing? Hey!
We own this city. Let them come that dare.
What?
Die now!
So much for staying hidden.
Hey, what's going on? What? Hold on!
Wait, Captain.
When I find you, you will bleed.
Hey!
I'm alive. So it took all winter to heal. No, you'll never make it alive. Rest in peace.
Know any good jokes?
War. If you ask me, the Khalifa has conducted a fire culture for generations now. I only hope the Khalifa, may God bless him and grant him long life, is untainted by it.
I fought some of those pale long hairs. Killed a couple. They are wild but skilled. Formidable warriors. But so am I.
I've taken worse. Fighting with the Amir of Barda back in... Got a spear in the back. Lucky I'm alive.
If I start snoring, smack me. Did I ever...
Not looking good for my staying awake much longer.
Something going on?
Who dropped that torch there?
I'm in the mood to spill some blood.
Hey? What was that? Huh? What's happening? Hey? What was that? Hey! I'll feed you your... Hold on.
Wait, what? I'll flay you when I find you.
Hey, what's that? What?
Don't kill me. Please, give me more time. I almost cracked it.
Don't worry. I'm not here to kill you. What are you trying to crack?
The book. I said I couldn't. This is not a language I know, but she gave me no choice.
Who?
A woman named Zahra. One of the scholars here.
What is this book? What is it called?
The only thing I know is that it is written in a script unlike any other. And I have seen hundreds. The way Zahra talks, it's more of an artifact or relic than a book. I lied about my progress so they wouldn't kill me. I can't read a single word. I don't even know if it's a language.
Where can I find Zahra?
I don't know. She could be anywhere in the city. I just want to go home.
All right, get to safety before the guards return.